All right, welcome to today's edition of the Total Body Challenge. Today's workout is going to be shoulders, and it's basically set up the same as all the others. You're gonna pick a light set of weights, medium set of weights, and then a heavy set of weights, and you're gonna perform 15 with the lights, 12 with the mediums, and then 8 with the heavies. We'll take about a minute, minute and a half break, and then you'll go right back and do again 8 with the heavies, 12 with the mediums, and 15 with the lights. So first one up is going to be a seated shoulder press. I'm going to start with 20s. And again, like I said, this is my light set of weights. I'm going to do 15. And go. All right, there was 15. Take about a 30-second rest. I'm going to change my weights to my mediums. So I just did 20. I'm going to go ahead and go up to 25s. And my next set's going to be at 12. So adjust my weights. Little breather, not too long, just enough to catch your breath, change your weights, and we're going right back with 12. All right, there's 12 with my medium set. Again, take about a 30-second rest, and I'm going to go to my heavies, which I'll go up to 30s. And I'm going to do a set of 8. All right, got my weights changed, and we're going right back in it with 8, my heavies. And rest. So you're going to go ahead, take about a minute break, maybe a little bit longer if you need, get a sip of water, and we're going to go right back what we just did, but we're going to go 8 with the heavies, 12 with the mediums, and then 15 with the lights. So I'll go ahead and hit pause on your device and go ahead and do that, and then when you're done, we'll go ahead and resume it with the next workout. Okay, next workout is going to be upright rows. I'm actually going to do the same weights I did with the seated shoulder press. So again, I'm going to start with my 20s. All right, you're going to keep the weights here in front of you and just bring them right up there just below your chin. All right, so same idea we just did. We're going to do 15, 12, 8, little rest, then go 8, 12, and 15. All right, so first set, I got my lights. I'm using 20s. All right, you can, obviously do more or less, whatever to your liking. And here we go. And that's 15. Again, we'll take a little breather, maybe about 30 seconds or so. Change my weights. I'm going to go up to 25s. And my next set is going to be 12. All right. Same thing. Got my mediums. I'm doing 12. And up. All right, there's 12. up to my heavies. I'm just gonna go up another 5 pounds, so I'm gonna do 30. And my last set here is gonna be 8. So we go back up around, I'm gonna do another 8, 12, and 15. All right, so got my heavies, and we're going up with 8. Go. All right. Again, take about a minute break, get some water, stretch out a little bit if you need to, and then you're gonna go right back around, do 8 with your heavies, 12 with your mediums, and 15 with your lights. So go ahead and hit pause on your device, go ahead and do that, and then we'll resume with the next exercise. All right, next one is reverse flies. So you're gonna sit down, just like you were with the shoulder press. Probably gonna wanna grab some fairly light weights for this one. It's gonna be a seated reverse fly. So I'm probably gonna go ahead and start with 10s. So again, starting with 15 with the first set. So kind of bend over a little bit. You got your dumbbells in between your legs here on the bench. And you're gonna lift them up like that. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. All right, so it's 15 with my lights. I would probably go up to 15s here with the next set. All right, you may, depending how that was, you may want to just stick with 10s. If you have 12s, that would probably be ideal. And unfortunately, I don't, or else I would go to that. But I'm gonna go ahead and go up to 15s with my next one. And I may or may not go up after that. All right, same thing. Bend over and lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, there's 12. It's definitely starting to struggle over on that one. So rather than go up to 20s, I don't want to sacrifice good form. So I'm just going to stick with my 15s again from my last set of 8. If you start to struggle, just drop them. You can just do the motion with body weight is perfectly fine. You're going to get that with some of these exercises. You may not pick the right weight, you may pick too heavy, too light. That's why it's important if you do write it down. That way you can measure your progress from one week to the next. All right, so next one, if you want to go up, I'm not going to right now just because it was a little bit heavy for me. So I'd rather just work on my form and do it right rather than go up and risk injury. So you're going to your heavyweight right now. We're going to go set of 8. And go. All right, those are the heavies. Again, take a little breather. About a minute or so, grab some water. You're gonna go right back around. You can do the 8s, with your heavies. Do 12 with your mediums, and then 15 with your lights. All right, so go ahead and hit pause. Do that, and then we'll be ready for the next exercise. Alrighty, next we're going to shrugs. All right, you can use fairly heavy weights on this. I'm gonna go ahead, I'll just start with 20s, all right? A lot of you guys probably do a lot more than that, but I'm gonna do 20s. You're basically real easy. Someone asks you a question, you don't know the answer, that's basically what you're doing. Just gonna lift up, act like you don't know, all right? I don't know. So we got 15 of these, and up. that was 15 with my lights. I'm gonna go ahead and go up 10. So I'm gonna go to 30. And next set is gonna be a set of 12. All right, so I got my mediums. I'm going up with 12 and go. I don't know. All right, there's 12. Going up to my heavies. I'd probably go up another 10 pounds and go to 40s. And I'm doing a set of 8. Okay. Got my heavies. I'm going up with 8. And go. And that was 8. All right, should know the routine by now. You're gonna hit pause. You're gonna go back around. 8 with the heavies, 12 with the mediums, and 15 with the lights. All right, we're to our last shoulder exercise. I would definitely go lightweight on this. It's gonna be a 3-way exercise. You could do this sitting down or standing up. You know, it's really about your preference. I'm going to go ahead and start with 5s. So it's called a 3-way dumbbell raise. Start with the weights here at my side. I'm going to lift it up to my side. Bring it to the front. Bring it down. And then I'm going back around. Front, side, down. I'll show you one more time. So we're going to start on the side, go up to the side, bring it to the front, bring it down. And we go back up to the front, over to the side, back down. All right, so that's just one set there. All right, so it's really getting about 6 movements in one. All right, so I got 15 with my light. And go. That was 1. And 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14, last one. And 15, good. So definitely starting to burn there the last few. If it was too light for some reason, definitely go up. If you felt like that was somewhat of a struggle at the end, you might want to just stay with the same weight. I'll probably go ahead and do the same for the next set of 12, and I'll try to go up to 10s for the last set of 8. So get a quick breather, grab some water. Almost done. All right, so we're going mediums. Again, I'm gonna do the same ones just because it was definitely starting to burn. Again, you don't want to sacrifice bad form for trying to increase heavier weight. So we're going to go with 12. Same thing. Side, front, down, front, side, down. There's 1. And 2. 3. 4. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, last one, best one, 12. All right, good job. So, going up here to our heavies, I'm gonna go ahead and go up to 10. And we gotta set up 8. Stretch it out, get a quick drink if you need to. Yeah, whenever we're ready, we're going with 8. Same thing, and up, side, front, down, front, side, down. There's 1. 2, 3, 4, halfway there. 5, 6, 7, last one, and 8. Good job. All right, so you're gonna go ahead and finish it out. Take a little breather. Definitely stretch it out, get some water. This is a tough one. You're gonna take a little breather, finish it out with another 8 with the heavies, 12 with the mediums, and then 15 with the lights. And then you're all set. All right, you're another day in the books. We got one more day tomorrow. We got a special Super 7, we're gonna call it. All right, kind of like a ladder, going up the ladder, and kind of a total body workout there all in one. All right, thanks for joining us. Look forward to seeing you next time.